What if you could manage your traditional banking and your crypto all in one place? For a long time, the world of decentralized digital assets and the regulated, slow-moving world of traditional finance were completely separate. You had your bank account over here and your crypto wallet over there. If you wanted to move money between them, it was a clunky, multi-step process. You'd have to transfer euros from your bank account to a crypto exchange, wait for that transaction to clear, and then buy your crypto. It was a barrier that kept a lot of people on the sidelines. But what if a company could build a bridge between those two worlds? What if a company could offer a fully regulated German bank account with an integrated crypto wallet? That was the vision of a company called Bitwala. But to make that vision a reality, they needed something they didn't have, a banking license. And that's where Solarisbank came in. Solarisbank isn't a traditional bank in the way you might think. You won't find Solarisbank branches on every street corner. Instead, they are a tech company with a full German banking license, operating under what's known as a banking-as-a-service model. Think of them as the silent partner behind the scenes. They provide the core infrastructure, the accounts, the cards, the payment processing, through a simple set of APIs. These APIs are like building blocks that other companies, like Bitwala, can use to create their own unique financial products. So, Solarisbank's role with Bitwala was to be that crucial banking partner. Bitwala had the vision and the expertise in the crypto space, but they needed the regulatory framework and the technical backbone to make their product safe, compliant, and easy to use. By partnering with Solarisbank, Bitwala was able to leverage their German banking license. This meant that the euros in a Bitwala account were protected up to 100,000 euros under Germany's deposit protection scheme, something that's simply not possible for a standalone crypto company. Solarisbank provided more than just a license. They offered a complete suite of services that allowed Bitwala to function like a full-fledged bank. This included issuing debit cards, processing SEPA transfers, and providing the Know Your Customer, or KYC, and anti-money laundering, or AML, services that are essential for any regulated financial institution. More recently, the partnership has deepened even further. Solarisbank, through its subsidiary Solaris Digital Assets, now also provides digital asset custody services to Bitwala. This is a game changer because it allows for a more secure and streamlined process for managing crypto within the Bitwala platform. It means Bitwala's customers don't have to manage their own private keys unless they want to, and it opens up the possibility for faster transactions and a more seamless user experience. In essence, the relationship between Solarisbank and Bitwala is a perfect example of how the banking-as-a-service model is revolutionizing finance. Solarisbank acts as the foundational layer, handling the complex regulatory and technical aspects of banking, while companies like Bitwala can focus on what they do best, creating innovative, customer-facing products. It's a partnership that has helped bridge the gap between two very different financial worlds, bringing the security and convenience of traditional banking to the dynamic and exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.